Welcome to the UK Data Service. This presentation is designed to show researchers who wish to use control level data how to log into the Secure Lab environment once they have been granted access. The Secure Lab is a facility for accessing data that are deemed too confidential or sensitive to allow researchers to download it. Instead, we have created a secure virtual research environment, our Secure Lab, which makes it possible for researchers to access and analyse data in a safe setting. To log into your account, click on the login icon on the top right hand side of the page. To access Secure Lab, click the Login to Secure Lab option. Be careful to make the correct selection. Waiting for the page to load may take a few seconds, but once it has loaded, you'll be asked to enter your Secure Lab username and password. If you don't reach this page, there is a good chance that the IP address you provided is incorrect. If this does happen, please contact your IT support to confirm your IP address and then contact us. Enter your username and password. And click on the Log On button. You should now be on a page with a Secure Lab icon. Don't click anything, you'll probably be taken to the Secure Lab environment after a few seconds, as is happening here. If, when you see that initial Secure Lab icon, nothing else happens automatically, maybe after about 30 to 60 seconds, please click once on the icon. And it's really important that you only click on the desktop icon once, that's if you need to do this at all. Double-clicking may launch two desktops, which may function for a while, but they will eventually conflict and freeze your working session. You should now be in the Secure Lab environment. It's simply a new desktop operating system in a new window. What you're effectively doing is logging into a server based at the UK Data Archive. The Secure Lab is secure for a number of reasons. For example, you are unable to copy and paste any files or text from this window onto your PC. Neither can you connect this environment to your PC or any of its drives, or use the internet from within the environment. It really is a sealed off area. When you log into the Secure Lab, the first message you see is from the Citrix Smart Auditor software. Each time you log in, your session is recorded. We do this for security purposes and also to help researchers if they experience any difficulty using Secure Lab. Please be sure to note the message which reminds users that the Secure Lab is unavailable every Tuesday between 10 AM and 12 noon. This is due to regular maintenance downtime. Click OK to agree to this condition. Next, click on File Explorer. You'll now see two drives. First, we'll take a look at your personal drive, the M drive. In here, you'll find a folder for each of the projects that you've been approved to undertake. There are two project folders here. Let's open up the first one. This is your project area, and you'll find a number of subdirectories. Each project area can be accessed by other users who are approved to work on the project. This is to enable collaborative working. However, it is private to a project team. Other researchers using the Secure Lab will not be able to access this area. The original data folder contains the data sets that you have successfully applied to access. This is a read-only folder to prevent you from overwriting the clean data by mistake. You can make copies of the data files and paste them into the working folder. This is a writable directory where you'll undertake your analysis. You can store any syntax files you produce in the syntax folder. This will help you to organise your work. You may wish to upload your own data, small area demographic data for example. For instructions on how to do this, please refer to your Secure Lab User Guide. The Secure Lab User Guide is given to all researchers that attend our training course and is also available inside Secure Lab itself for easy reference whilst you're working. If you've made a request for us to upload your own data or syntax, we'll save them in the Uploads folder. During the life of your project, you'll want us to release some statistical results to you. Please save these in the SDC folder. Again, please refer to your user guide for details. Next, we'll have a look at the References drive. This is a common reference library accessible to all researchers who log into the Secure Lab. Here you'll find a number of useful resources which will help you with your analysis. For Stata users, there is an ADO library in the folder marked ADO files. You can program Stata to retrieve Stata ADO files from here. Most are in alphabetical subfolders. If an ADO extension you require is missing, let us know and we will add the extension to the collection. Similarly, for R users, there is a folder containing a great number of R packages. If what you need is not in this folder, then please get in touch. You'll also find a number of lookup tables. These include classifications such as industrial and occupational, price deflators, postcode directories, user guides where you will find a copy of the latest Secure Lab user guide, the SDC handbook published by the Safe Data Access Professionals Group, plus guidance on Zen2, linking business data and more. Finally, let's have a look at the software available in Secure Lab. Here you will find statistical packages such as SPSS, Stata and R. And we have QGIS, Anaconda, Python, Spider, MLWin, Notepad and more. In addition, we have Microsoft Office software to enable you to write up your statistical analysis. Let's go back to your project area. And finally, I will show you how to sign out of the Secure Lab properly. Please note that just closing the window in the top right corner does not log you out of Secure Lab. If you click this, you will remain signed in and then may experience problems when trying to log in again. Please go to the Start menu and click on Sign Out. The content of this presentation is included in the user guide provided on the training course you attended with us. This means that once trained, you have this information at your fingertips should you need to refresh your memory on any aspect. If you trained with another service, don't worry, you can also find the user guide in the references drive we looked at earlier. We've written the user guide based on the experiences of our users. The contents are clearly defined so that you do not have to read around the topic and can get the information you need straight away. Whether that be how to make an output request, how to import documents, or any other aspect of Secure Lab use. There's a lot of really useful information in the guide, so we do recommend that you make use of it, as it will save you time and make Secure Lab run more smoothly and efficiently. For any queries not covered by the user guide, please contact us through one of our contact forms on the UKDS website or one of the other methods shown here. We hope that you found this demonstration of Secure Lab useful. We're always seeking ways of improving it, so please do contact us if you have any suggestions.